Good morning, children. How are you? Today we are learning GK. We finished 2 lessons in science. I have to send lesson 2 notes. I'll send it today. And now let us learn GK. Our first lesson is social reformers. Who are social reformers? As some people are working hard for the betterment of what? Society. They are doing a lot of work to make the society a better one. They are called social reformers who are working for the society. And in India we have many social reformers, and today we are learning about the social reformers in the world. Let us see who are they and see from this picture identification will come for the exam, and their donation to the world also will be asked for exam. So all of you learn it today itself. First one, Red Cross. Red Cross is an organization you might have heard during flood time, during war time, and during this COVID time. They are servicing the society. And see about Red Cross and see who found Red Cross. Who found Red Cross? See the picture in your textbook, and E is the answer. Henry Dunant. Henry Dunant. Okay, he started Red Cross. And see the next picture. Next picture is nursery system. Who found out nursery system? You all learned in nursery, no? And this lady applied the playway method. That is, you are playing, you are learning rhymes, and through stories you are learning in KG section. That is called Montessori system. Then see who found it. Second one is G is the answer. That is Maria Montessori. So this method is called Montessori method. Okay, Maria Montessori. And who is the third one? This is Nelson Mandela. And see, abolition of apartheid. Apartheid means വേർതിരിവ്. സമൂഹത്തിലുണ്ടായിരുന്ന വേർതിരിവും അടിമത്തൊക്കെ നിർത്താൻ ഹെൽപ്പ് ചെയ്തൊരു നേതാവാണ്, ഒരു ലീഡറാണ് ആര്? നെൽസൺ മണ്ടേല. ആൻഡ് സി, സോ third one, Nelson Mandela. Answer C. And fourth one, abolition of slavery. Means what? Abolition of slavery. അടിമത്തം. ഇവിടെയാണ് ശരിക്കും അടിമത്തം. ഇവിടെ വേർതിരിവ്. വേർതിരിവ്. വലിയവൻ, ചെറിയവൻ, പിന്നെ എന്താ, കുറേ ആൾക്കാരെ എന്താണ് അവരെ നമ്മൾ കൂട്ടാതെ വേർതിരിച്ച് നിർത്തും സൊസൈറ്റി. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് apartheid, വർഗ വർണ്ണ വിവേചനം. And here is slavery. Then fourth one, abolition of slavery. അടിമത്തം ഇല്ലായ്മ ചെയ്യുക. ആരായിരുന്നു? വില്യം വിൽബർ ഫോഴ്സ്. Answer is A. Fourth answer A. And fifth one, script for blind. And blind people are also able to read a language. They have a script to read. You might have seen dotted papers, and they are with the hand, with fingers, they are touching and reading. Okay, who made that script? That is by answer D, Louis Braille. And it is known as Braille script. Louis Braille made the script for blinds. And next, women's right to vote. Who gained? We have the who argued that women's also have the right to vote. Women's right to vote. Who is that? Answer is B. That is Emmeline Pankhurst. And next is 7. Nursing. You know nurses, and during this pandemic season they are servicing well the society. And who found this nursing system, and who was the first nurse? That is 7th one. You might have heard F. F is the answer, Florence Nightingale. F is the answer, Florence Nightingale. So all of you write the answer and learn it today itself. And take next page also, that is tips for a sound sleep. How do we can sleep well? Let us see. Sleep is very important for our mental and physical health. Given below are some tips for a good sleep. Use the health box and label them correctly. First one, follow the same time for sleeping. If you are sleeping today 10 o'clock, tomorrow also 10 o'clock, like this you continue or choose a particular time, correct time, same time, keep to sleep. Then it is good to go to bed early and wake up early. It helps to improve our body cycle as well as our sleep. Every child should sleep at least 8 hours. Underline and read this description. Fill-ups will come from this, and question answer also come this. Learn the box. Okay. And next is, make sure that you don't go to bed either hungry or overstuffed. വയറ് നിറച്ചുറങ്ങാൻ പാടില്ല, വിശന്നും ഉറങ്ങാൻ പാടില്ല. ആവശ്യത്തിന് ഭക്ഷണം കഴിക്കുക. Balanced diet plays a vital role in sleep. You know balanced diet, and you need balanced diet for a good sleep. And an empty stomach disturbs the sleep cycle. Overeating also prevents us from sound sleep. Don't overeat. Don't eat too little. Correct food കഴിക്കുക. Then do not consume drinks containing caffeine, tea and coffee. Don't drink tea and coffee before sleeping and before bedtime, as they disturb sleep. Drink a glass of milk in the morning and also in the evening. That gives you a good sleep. And make sure that your bed is comfortable and spacious enough to let you stretch and turn easily. അതായത് നമുക്ക് കൈയും കാലൊക്കെ സ്ട്രെച്ച് ഔട്ട് ചെയ്ത് ഉറങ്ങാനുള്ള സ്ഥലം വേണം. And you need a good mattress and pillow for better sleep. Then next, block out loud noise while going to bed. Loud sound disturbs the sleep. Some find soft and light music helpful for better sleep. The next one, play outdoor games and sports for better sleep. It helps us to fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper sleep, which is good for a fit and healthy body. And you play well, then you become tired and you can sleep well. So these are the tips to get good sleep. All of you learn the descriptions from each box. Then first one, it is given C, and that is follow a routine for a good sleep. And second one is E, that is take balanced diet to get a sleep. And third one is B, that is avoid caffeine drink. And fourth one is F, answer F. You say comfy bed means comfortable bed. And fifth one D, that is avoid noise. And sixth one is A, that is exercise regularly. So these are the 6 tips to get a better sleep. So today itself all of you learn these 2 lessons of GK. All should by heart these boxes also. Okay.